side. You can see guys. Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In this video guys, we are going to cook banana cake, and you can see I have a lot of things that I will be using. Like we have ripe bananas too. This one, they are overripe, the better. We have sugar, we have salt, we have baking powder, we have bicarbonate soda, we have 2 eggs, we have 1.5 cup of wheat flour, all purpose, we have cooking oil, we have margarine, we have milk. So stay tuned guys, and hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And we'll start by combining all the wet ingredients together. So guys, we are going to start by mashing our bananas. This is the best banana you can use because of the sugar. So guys, our bananas are ready. We're going to add our 2 eggs. 1, 2. So we're going to combine. We go in with our margarine. And then we go in with our cooking oil. Then our sugar. Yeah, we're going to add our milk. So we're going to sieve our flour. We are going to sieve our flour guys. We don't want lumps in our banana cake. Like that. This is where we are adding our baking flour. Baking powder guys, we have added our baking powder, 1 tablespoon, and our baking soda. We are going to combine all of these together. So this one is ready, as you can see. It's ready. So guys, ignore these parts of my container. I don't know what happened. These dark parts. It's getting old. I've used it for around 3 years. So let's just go in with the cooking oil and we add our cake. We add our banana cake. And guys, this is our banana cake. So nice. And we do this. And so guys, we are going to bake it for around 45 minutes. Yeah. Bye. And ta-da, guys, this is my banana cake. As you can see, this is how to know whether it is ready. We just do this and voila, the knife is clean. That's when you know our banana cake is ready. So let's see the other side. Let's see the other side, guys. Ta-da! Wow. I'll just turn it this side. You see, guys? Ooh. Let's see whether it's well cooked inside. You can see, guys. It is hot. Yeah. That is my banana bread, guys. Let me enjoy with a cup of tea, and hope you've enjoyed this video, and we see you in the next one. I love you guys, and kindly subscribe, watch and share my videos, guys. And thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Honestly, I don't take it for granted, and you guys are the best. Go watch and share my videos, and we see you in the next one. I love you. Mwah.